the king of Aragon I ponder, for I hear him praised by many people, and I see all his deeds welcomed, so I must truly marvel how he can now make truces or peace, for never was a castle here besieged by him. The son of the king of Ethiopia wanted war more the day he came to ride to Peria. If you wish to advance his worth, he must not at all make accord now. Rather he must remember well that the count made Sancho pass into Provence, and if the king fortifies himself, he will be more feared for it by all his enemies. A young man must wage war in chivalry, and when he is old, it is truly fitting that he stay in peace. I saw him this year, without lying, protect my Osterrip, so that never since then did he fail him, until he made him recover his land, the one that the count, who is his relative and his uncle and his close father, took from him. He holds 30 castles in his lordship. It'll be an evil end if he does not give them back to him. I heard my Johann say that he made Lord Aimeric swear, and made Lord Bertrand agree to war against the count, all three joking that they will make marks and sterlings be placed in cups and basins, and the king will do mercy and gallantry if he maintains St. Gilles and the Abbey. Guyanot, if you wish to serve me, go greet the count from me, and say that he wished to deny himself to him until he made the English wage war against me. I didn't know ill whether I was his friend, more than a faithful monk of Saint Denis. If he has taken anything from me, then maybe pardon for it, for all that I hold in my possession. No matter how much love made me rejoice, now it makes me weep and takes away my eating and sleeping. For you, lady, whom God protect, I cannot see you, but I am truly frank and pure to you, for no other in the world pleases me or delights me. I love only the fair company from you, more than if another gave me all I could ask her. Lady, the most beautiful and the best that one ever saw, may you never think that my heart betrays you. Rather, I love you more than myself or anything that is.